I'm Dave, and this is Austin Eats. Today I'm going to show you how to make one of my favorite side dishes, grilled and smoked sweet potatoes. I'm going to start by grilling some sweet potatoes inside my Kamado Joe over direct heat, and then I'm going to finish them with a buttery sugar sauce, load them up with marshmallows, and then broil them very quickly in my wood-fired oven. This is a great side dish, it's easy to make, and it's right here on Austin Eats. So first I'm going to peel and then cut some sweet potatoes in half-inch slices. Then I'm going to rub some olive oil all over them and get them ready for the grill. Time to light both the Kamado Joe and the wood-fired oven. I'm going to grill these over some smoky charcoal for 5 to 6 minutes per side until they're tender. While that's cooking, I'm going to make my brown sugar butter glaze. I've got some brown sugar and butter that I've melted in the microwave, and I'm going to add some cinnamon, some kosher salt, and a little bit of vanilla, and stir that really well. When the sweet potatoes are done grilling, I'm going to simply line them in a pan, and then cover them generously with my brown sugar butter glaze, and then load that up with a whole bunch of small marshmallows. Time to get this in the wood-fired oven. Yes, you could easily do this under your broiler, but this is a lot more fun. And in just a few seconds, it's done. Oh, and it smelled so good. Hey, this is a great side dish. It may be a bit sweet, but it is tasty. Hey, if you liked the video, let me know. And please subscribe. I've got new videos coming out every week. Thanks for watching. See you next time on Austin Eats.